So what is the difference between virtualization and containerization? In virtualization, what happens that based on the hardware, okay, there will be a hypervisor which will actually create multiple guest operating system. They will be different from each other. They will not be linked to each other. Okay, so based on that, on one operating system, like application and libraries will be built up. On another one, application and libraries will be built up. On the third one, based on that, they will be completely separate. Whereas in case of containerization, what will happen that based on the hardware, then operating system would be there, and on that operating system there will be container engine. For example, here we can say it's a Docker. Okay, so based on that, like all these three containers are different for sure, but they will be resharing, actually sharing with each other the component of the operating system. Okay, so it will be one operating system, whereas there are multiple operating systems. Now if I talk about the OS per instance, obviously it will be multiple and it will be like a shared operating system, correct? In case of size, it will take larger size, cost is high, whereas size is small, so cost is less. Boot time, it will take much more time to boot up, it will take less time to boot up. Resource usage, obviously it is high, it is low. Isolation in terms of isolation, it is also strong, but here it will be good but less than this one. But yes, it will be more stronger, and security purpose this is also pretty good actually, the virtualization. Use cases like full OS of environment. Okay, if you want to use like multiple operating system and based on that the different environments, then it is good. For legacy application also it is good, and OS isolation is also good. Whereas here it will be using for the microservices, cloud native apps, rapid environment development, for this kind of purposes.